Is your engine struggling to start on a cold morning, or have you noticed your fuel economy dropping like a rock while the engine runs rough? You might be dealing with a P049B trouble code, which stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation B-Flow Insufficient Detect. This sounds super technical, but basically your car has a system designed to recycle some of that exhaust gas back into the engine to lower the combustion temperature and reduce harmful nitrogen oxide, or NOx, emission. The B in the code tells us the problem is specific to a certain step-down position of the EGR valve. It is not flowing as much gas as the computer expects. This is a big deal because it is not just about pollution. A clogged EGR system can mess up your engine's performance significantly. The causes are often physical. Over time, carbon from the exhaust builds up like plaque in arteries, clogging the passages or the valve itself. It could also be the sensor monitoring this flow, like the DPFE sensor or the MAP sensor, giving false readings. To fix this, do not just start swapping parts. First, check for Technical Service Bulletins, because sometimes this is just a computer glitch that needs a software update. If that is clear, get your hands dirty with a visual inspection. Look at the wiring harnesses near the hot exhaust manifold. They often get melted or chafe. If the wiring looks good, you'll need a scan tool to manually command the EGR valve open while watching the data. If the valve doesn't move or the flow sensors do not react, you've likely found your problem. Cleaning the carbon out of the valve and passages is often a cheap fix that works wonders, but if the valve is dead electronically, you'll need to replace it to get that smooth idle back.